Enjoy wonderful views from the deck overlooking your gorgeous pool and vineyard. Close to shops, hiking, and riding. This custom home features a chef's kitchen with a huge granite island, 5-burner gas stove, and 2 sinks. The open floor plan is perfect for entertaining. A spacious primary suite features a walk-in closet and lovely ensuite with heated floors. Home features include plantation shutters, skylights, and hardwood floors. Rare cedar log design has many benefits. House and pool are wheelchair accessible. Oversized attached garage has epoxy floors and room for a work area. The entire property is securely fenced and has irrigation. Good well. The large horse barn could also be your new workshop. Award-winning wine grapes with room for more. A mile away is the new trailhead for Hidden Falls, with access to miles of riding and hiking trails. The insulated RV garage can also be used as a wine barn or workshop. Enjoy fast internet, good roads, and great neighbors. Above the fog and below the snow.